Stan. What up? How's the job going?
Hey, Betty.
Oh, you know, he mutters the same indecipherable growl. I translate it as best I can. He gives me the occasional cracker. You?
Ugh, same old, same old. I tell you, it's not like it used to be, huh? It's getting so I can hardly understand a word he's saying.
I hear you. Oops, break time's over. Oh, gotta run!
See you, Stan.
Oh, well, if it ain't me own brother, Purple Paul.
I told you, I don't want to be part of your whole color scheme name thing. I'm Barnacle Paul. Yar! Quiet, you.
Hiya, Chuck.
Yar! Yar!
Now there's a pirate I could work for, huh? The strong, silent type.
And for once, we won't have any trouble figuring out what he's trying to say. Oh.
Yar!